Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This vs. That. Today, I got a little PC upgrade tips for you. This is gonna help you up your stream to the next level with a better PC and not kill your wallet. Sound good? Roll the intro. So I just got this baby in. I haven't unpacked it yet, but I want to show you guys. This is a computer that I got for around $240 on Amazon. It is a refurbished computer. And so let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to tell you guys what the specs are, and hopefully it will save you some money by not spending $1,000, $2,000 on a computer. So let's get to it. So the power supply is 290 watts, and when I read up on it, you can stick just a regular video card in here that doesn't require external power, and it should handle it just fine. Now if you go with the super modern one, like the $300 video card out there, it usually will require an extra power, which I think you're gonna have to get some extra things, extra cables to connect it to it and all that good stuff. Well guys, this is it right here. This is our little computer. Purr like a kitten right now. What do you say we take him out for a test drive? Yeah, I say so. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we have our testing. We're gonna do Overwatch. I'm gonna show you guys the setting that I have right now. This is a video setting. Let's see here. We're gonna go with graphic quality. Right now it's set on medium, so let's go to epic. Okay, so when you do epic, lots of things change down here. Texture quality is epic, ultra for fog detail and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. And then let's go back. So this is on epic setting right now. We're going to play a couple of games. And let's see how it runs. Pay attention to the frame rate up on the top there. We're running at about 60 frames per second right now. This is at 1080p. All right, let's take a look here. That's not very good. Epic setting. Okay. Looks great. Game looks great. Alright, let's see if I can sneak over here. Ouch. Oh, there's like 3 cowboys. Oh my gosh. Kaboom. Not bad, not bad. I didn't feel any frame rate loss, so with all the action going on in that one spot, it still kept up with it. Pretty good, pretty good. Never mind. So it looks like frame rate is jumping to 100 right now. I really didn't lock this frame rate down at all. 90, 100. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my gosh. Frame rate is going 90. 100 right now. That's pretty good. Not bad at all. Look at the detail on this thing. Oh, I didn't see her up there. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so the next one we're going to do is we're going to test out some Minecraft Java Edition. Beautiful music. Minecraft has this beta going on right now where it, you know, if you use a high-end NVIDIA card, that it gives you this great looking texture. If you know Minecraft, it's kind of blocky, and so I really wanted it, but I couldn't afford the RTX 2070 card. So I found some texture that actually looked really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get right into it right here. Let's do a new world 3, and let's go ahead and create that. Oh dear, I'm on like a single block. So guys, this is Minecraft non-RTX edition. Check out this water. Isn't that beautiful? All right, I want you guys to take a look at this right here. See that sun? Look at that reflection on the water right there. Look at that sun. It's still Minecraft, just more beautiful. I mean, it still looks blocky. The chicken looked the same, but the lighting is so much better now. Look at my shadow. And then look at the fog and the light shining through some of these. This is beautiful. Yep, all the animal looks the same. The water is greatly enhanced. A little witch's hut in the swamp. Look at that. Look at that. So this is using a few mods to put together. Let's go in the house and see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. Look at that. She's trying to damage me. The fish looks good. Still blocky though. Wow. Yeah, that looks good. Very smooth. I don't notice the slowdown at all with this. The fog is amazing. Look, I can see the shadow of the lily pads up on the top. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, there we go, guys. That is it right there. That's our little test max graphics on this PC that we just built. The spec on this is the i5. It has 16 gigs of RAM in there. I think like a SSD, like a 250 SSD or something like that, with the 2 terabyte hard drive for like game storage. But that's about it. That's what came with the box. And then I just upgrade the graphic card and then the power supply so that I can power this graphic card. But yeah, that's all that I did. If you guys like this, please hit like and subscribe. We'll probably do a few more of these in the future, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I can build PC like every single video, but hopefully you guys like this. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about this build. This is what I'm using to do my Twitch streaming. If you guys want to check that out, link right here. Right here, I think. Right here, somewhere right here. Anyway, check me out there to see this build right here at work. So I am using this on Twitch right now. So let me know if you guys like it. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.